Welcome to Sailing Frida Visby. We are a middle-aged couple, both 50 plus. We sail with our cat Litsa.
We have quit our working life to see the world from our sailboat, and we want to bring you with us.
Our goal is to get close to the environment, collect lots of memories and fun experiences, and memorable moments like this. Let's take a look at how our trip during our first 2 years of cruises has been. We hope to put many more miles under the key. For 2 years we said we wanted to sail to the Med, and we finally made it. So now we will explore the Mediterranean Sea. Owning a boat means that you've got to do maintenance and projects, and we share them with you as well.
My name is Anders.
I am Peter, and this is Litsa, the truly free spirit on board.